But I thank you so much that you're still here. Thank you for the thumbs up. Right, Tubi? How is Tubi? What is your job, Gotami Bandy? Do you work or you own the business? You're from Pakistan, sister? No, I'm not. I'm from Philippines. I thought you are from Pakistan. Are you from Pakistan? Oh. What's that? I heard something. Maybe the wind. I have to look outside. I heard. Oh, okay. It's a shovel. It's only a shovel. I'm job teacher gourmet. Huh? You are a teacher? Teacher gourmet? What's that mean? Are you working in a restaurant? Gourmet. I see my dog. My dog sit in the couch. Here, you look at my dog here. Very big dog, 90 pounds. He is 90 pounds. Very big dog. He's almost the same size as I am. I'm 110. My dog is 90 pounds. Thank you, everyone. Please comment one of my video. George is very funny. George says, I am very busy in YT. George, I like that. You're busy in YT. Me, I'm busy in my work. You know? You're so good. How much the temperature in your place, George? I've been here in my life for 23 minutes and 17 seconds. So 24 minutes. Let's do 1 hour. Or maybe 2 hours. For the love and kind. How much temperature in your place, George? My flowers or my dog? I let you pick my dog or my flowers. Oh, my other dog is already awake. Maybe she is hungry because I heard her. Ali, are you down there? Are you hungry, Ali? Ali, are you hungry? Where are you going? Ali. I heard Ali. Ali, where are you? Where's Ali? She's downstairs. Ali, come up here. Are you hungry? Ali, come here. Ali, where are you? Come over here. Come here. Time for you to eat. Come on. Come on.